All right. YouTube. I got something in the mail that I want to open, all right? But this is not really what I want to show you guys. I want to show you something else. Hold on, let me get this open real quick. Wait a minute. Hold on real quick. I don't know if I could show this yet. And the lid come off too. Ooh, I don't know if I could show this yet. I don't know if I could show this yet. Wait, give me a second to really just gather myself. Woo! Let's go. All right. I can't show you guys what I just got. You know what I'm saying? But what I can do is show you guys what we really here for. All right, this GAAHLERI. I don't know if I'm saying it right. I don't know if I'm saying it right. Let's just open it up, man. I got a black version of this. I wanted the black version. They sent it out to me. These enhancement guns I've been using for a while now. These enhancement guns, I've been using these for a while now, and they work nice, man. And they look good, and they spray good as well. So see what this look like. Hold on. Never need the paperwork. Ooh, this ain't even black. This like a gray, a matte gray or something like that. Hold on, let me put this down. Ooh. Look at this. And would you take a look at this? This right here look kind of clean though. Get scat, scrap, scrap, scrap. Come on, man. Hold on, let me put this together and see how it sprays. Yeah, this look good. This look good. Work good too. As you can see, I'm just having way too much fun spraying this thing. You could adjust it the way you want. You know what I'm saying? With this nozzle in the back, this nozzle right here in the front, you could adjust it to where you could spray it however you like. You know what I mean? You could minimize the spray, increase the spray. It's pretty dope, man. It's this dope enhancement gun. It's really used for like painting, you know, things, but you know, I use it for enhancement. So yeah, you guys can pick this up. The link will be in the description below. Don't forget to use my code 360GZ at checkout. Let's go. 360GZ. All right, you guys, so just like with every haircut, what you want to do is pick the hair out and lay the hair down. That way everything is stretched out, and you want to start off neat. By doing this, we'll determine how clean the haircut looks at the end. So the way I'm going to do this burst fade is kind of like a burst taper in a way. So I'm going to set my bald line in a triangle like shape, and I'm going to clear out the bulk at the bottom, making sure that this triangle like shape is as neat as possible. Now Now using my Stylecraft X360s, I'm basically gonna have the lever open and go up about a 1/2 inch. But near the vertical bar, I'm gonna keep that as low and I'm gonna come at an angle, all right? So I don't take off a lot. I wanna keep that vertical bar as dark as possible. But I'm gonna go over the guideline multiple times to ensure that it's at that length. Next, with the one guard, with the lever open, I'm doing the same exact thing. Going up about a 1/2 inch, making sure I go around that triangle-like shape. Now with the two guard, I'm basically gonna take all of the bulk that's on the sides. I'm not necessarily setting in a guideline right now. I'm just taking off the bulk on the sides to where it has that, you know, burst fade look. Now right here at the parietal ridge area, I'm gonna comb everything down. That way everything, like I said, when you make sure everything neat as you go, that's how the haircut will come out. Now you could do this part one of two ways. I just close the lever on my my clipper and basically just freehand. But you can put on a one guard and just go with the grain. For a beginner, I would say that is the best bet. But I just went ahead and freehand it. So when it comes to taking out the guidelines, I always like to drop back down to what I used before, and that was the one guard with the lever open, and I'm just cleaning up that area between the 1 and the 2. And now I just close the lever on that one guard, and now I'm just softening up that middle line. Now that I softened it up with the one guard closed, I'm gonna put on my 0 guard with the lever fully closed, and in a flick out motion, I'm gonna flick out that middle line. So sometimes that 0 guard close just doesn't take everything that you need. So I go behind it with the lever open and just kind of basically detail that area. Knock out those areas where you see bulk. Now the last guideline you need to take out is that bottom line. And what I like to do is I like to close the lever halfway, soften it up, and then close the lever fully to take out that guideline fully, all right? Now lastly, what you want to do is detail work, all right? Detailing is extremely important. What I like to do is I like to refer to the mirror. The mirror shows you a different perspective on the blend than just seeing it head on. Also, you don't have access to a mirror, you don't have a mirror in your shop, rest your eyes, come back to the blend, start using guards in different areas where you see bulk, and just get in those areas with your corners in areas where you see bulk. Now you can't use this on every client, but I'm using the shavers on the bottom to make it look more clean. So what you do on one side, you do on the other, and we're just gonna speed it up. Now with fading the beard, it's the same steps, you're just going downward instead of going upward, all right? Lever open, take out that top line with the lever closed, 1 guard, 2 guard, blend out that middle line with the 0 guard closed. So now I'm just gonna have my lever fully closed, no guard, and shape the top, all right? I'm gonna start on the front, work my way in the back, and level it off, making sure everything is nice and even.
So first and foremost, shout out to Get Beam and Sweet Cuts for this technique. I'm using dry shampoo on my client's lineup, just everywhere where I'm gonna line them up. That way everything could be nice and clean. And after that, I'm gonna just brush it in, brush it off. I'm gonna spray some holding spray, basically hairspray, just to lock everything in. It's not gonna come out completely, but you know, with the hairspray and the enhancements, and you know, just with the olive oil that I use at the end, all of this hair is going to turn back to black, so don't worry. After I sprayed the hairspray, I'm just going to blow dry everything in. That way it's nice and stiff and everything can be locked in. So last but not least, I'm gonna curl sponge my client's head. Now keep in mind that it takes a minute for it to curl. You gotta go in slow circular motions a few seconds before you move on. So don't just think that it's gonna curl with 1 or 2 swoops. So you gotta really, you know, put that elbow grease in. Listen, let me tell you why they call me 360. When they sit in my chair, I spin them in a full 360, and they come out looking like got it, got it, got it, got it, yeah, got it. YouTube, this is the cut. And if you like it, make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button. Also, HustleDreamProduction, that's my brother. He does all my beats. His YouTube channel will be linked in the description below. Make sure you guys go give him a follow. Also, if you want to know where you can find any tools that you seen in this video, links will be in the description below. Otherwise, you guys can follow me on Instagram and TikTok. My TikTok is official360Jeezy, and my Instagram is 360Jeezy. But it's your boy 360Jeezy, and I'm out of here. Chill.